Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold with this week FOMC meeting. Federal Reserve's funds rates is there. How is will gold reacted with this Fed fund rate? You can see the Forex factory 1st of May, this Wednesday. This the federal funds rates FOMC meeting. That's the current rate is 5.5. That's how will react gold with this interest rate issuing in American Central Bank Federal Reserve. So you can see the gold chart now. So I am in for our chart. You can see I am seeing the technically pattern. That's the bearish pattern. Bearish flag pattern is continuing. This is the flag. This is flag. You can see this is I am telling technically this is bearish flag pattern. So bearish flag pattern. This is the bearish pattern. This is the downside pattern. So I am seeing technically that is I am telling this type of pattern is continuing. This is the bearish pattern. So break to the downside, that is you have a sell opportunity. So how we see, you can join with my telegram link how to trade with the gold with the FOMC meeting. Link is below, you can join with it. So let's see the Forex factory. It's the Wednesday 1st of May. That's the 5.5 is the current interest rate. American Central Bank forecast to pause the rate again. So this is the sixth time Fed for post forecast to pause the rate at on 5.5. Let's see the Fed Watch Tool website. What is the interest rate forecast on May FOMC meeting? So I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. What is the price on with the interest rates? So that is the May FOMC meeting. You can see Fed Watch Tool website. This is the May FOMC meeting. You can see 97% forecast to market price into the interest rate post. This is the almost 100% price into the market interest rate post on 5.5. This is the Fed Watch Tool forecast. So that is the interest rate pause again in 5.5. This is the already price into the market. That's the you can see press conference is the Jerome Powell. That is I am thinking dollar demand with this Fed's conference because of inflation rate is 3.5% current inflation rate. So this is the press conference. I am thinking this press conference, the media conference is the uh, Jerome Powell. I think dollar demand with this hawkish comment. So that is my hope. So that is my forecast. So I am thinking this is the dollar demand with the FOMC. That is the breakout to the below side. So that is my one of one forecast. That's the 2300 is the first target, and then 2275 next target. This is the sell opportunity, and you should touch with the safe haven demand as a goal. With the goal safe haven demand, that's the goal demand and going to the upside. That is you should touch with Iran Israel war is in continuing. With that can be dollar demand, gold demand, and continue to the upside. With the FOMC data I am seeing, that's the dollar demand and gold drop to the below side. That's the sell opportunity I am thinking you have. So you can join with my telegram link and get the accurate gold signals and analysis. And also you should risk management is the key, money management is the key for gold trading. So get the trade smaller time frame confirmations.